Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So last night I cooked this pork loin in the Instant Pot, and I have some of that left, and I saved the broth that I had cooked it in. And today for lunch I'm gonna do a pork noodle bowl, almost like a pho bowl. Not quite, but I have some rice noodles, and then I'm gonna put the broth together with a little soy sauce and some lime juice. And then toppings, these are some of the pickled peppers that I opened a couple of days ago. I have some corn, some wasabi edamame, bok choy, green onions. I'm gonna do a duck egg and some bean sprouts. I also have some Japanese fried peanuts, which are very addictive, by the way. And then a lot of times you'll see bowls with sriracha. I'm not a big fan of the flavor profile of sriracha, but I am going to add some Tajin hot sauce. So the pork is already cooked. The only thing I need to do is get the broth together and cook the rice noodles, and then get all the toppings ready to go, and we're all set. Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Thanksgiving for those who celebrate. I hope you guys are safe and enjoy your holiday today. So for me today, I am going to start with a big superfood salad. I have about half of the Salsa Ranch chopped kit left, just the veggies there. And then I just felt like putting a whole bunch of bright, beautiful stuff together. So I have some Pomegranate Arils, Grape Tomatoes, English cucumber, some Clover and alfalfa sprouts, corn, Raspberries, Blackberries, pickled baby beets, pickled baby corn, some Wasabi Peas, and I'm going to have that. I know this says marinade and cooking sauce, but it is actually a really nice, tart, bright, flavorful sauce that I've been using as a dressing. So I'm going to have that, and that will be lunch. All right, so dinner tonight is just kind of a weird clean out the fridge mashup. I have some couscous that I made earlier, some avocado, a bit of squash, cucumber, grape tomatoes. I have a packet of tuna and a duck egg. And so I'm just going to do basically like a Buddha bowl. A little fresh lemon on top, and that will be everything. And the only thing I need to do is steam the squash and cook the egg, and that will be it.